In Spain? The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Plain. Plain.
Stays mainly in the plain. Dorota, can you believe that in just 3 short hours I'll be stepping through the gates of Yale?
Gate. Gate.
I'll be stepping through the gates of Yale. Right after I attend the Dean of Admission's private reception, of course. Most candidates think it's an urban legend.
Legend. Legend.
Most candidates think it's an urban legend. I am so proud of you. And I'm so ready to be surrounded by people.
Surround. Surround.
And I'm so ready to be surrounded by people.
Daniel, my son, you have near-perfect grades, excellent SATs, more talent than money could ever buy.
Yeah, but...
Talent. Talent.
More talent than money could ever buy.
Yeah, but... Thanks, Dad. Right. Well, I'm off. It's just me, the best English department in America, and 100 other highly competitive...
Competitive. Competitive.
And 100 other highly competitive...
We're 3 hours away from horny women's studies majors wanting to work out all their anger towards men.
Anger. Anger.
Out all their anger towards men. I just wish my mom wouldn't push Yale so hard. Well, she's only pushing it because the Vanderbilt side of her family practically owns it.
Practically. Practically.
Because the Vanderbilt side of her family practically owns it. Creating your own freshman 15.
Are you not seriously considering going to Yale either?
I'm evaluating colleges based on secret societies.
Evaluate. Evaluate.
Either?
I'm evaluating colleges based on secret societies.
And how exactly are you planning to do that?
By showing up.
This weekend concludes college visits.
Conclude. Conclude.
This weekend concludes college visits. Of Constance Billard and St. Jude's, as well as your own families. We urge you to present yourselves in...
Urge. Urge.
We urge you to present yourselves in...
How nice. Say hello to the characters on public transportation for me.
Transportation. Transportation.
On public transportation for me.
A place like Brown, an enclave of trustafarians and children of celebrities who major in drum circles and...
Drum. Drum.
Children of celebrities who major in drum circles and... Since we're not friends anymore, let me speak frankly. You're not that smart. You lack focus and discipline.
Discipline. Discipline.
You lack focus and discipline.
After that shower, there won't be any hot water left in the building.
I wasn't in the shower the whole time.
Shower. Shower.
I wasn't in the shower the whole time.
Noah Shapiro declined to write on your behalf.
Mr. Shapiro and I had creative differences.
Creative. Creative.
Mr. Shapiro and I had creative differences. You'll see that I spent the summer interning with Jeremiah Harris.
A fact which Mr. Harris has not been able to confirm himself.
Confirm. Confirm.
Harris has not been able to confirm himself.
Another letter from whom and how?
This is Yale. If you haven't noticed, we traffic in brick buildings full of professors.
Brick. Brick.
We traffic in brick buildings full of professors.
I thought we were gonna do something. What happened to your master plan?
Master, master,
What happened to your master plan? I thought we were gonna do something. What happened to your master plan, finding the skull and bones?
skull, skull,
And finding the skull and bones.
You can mix up with electives. Yale's are better than most.
Oh, really? Well, what's your favorite?
It's a toss-up between the role of sex and art.
toss, toss,
It's a toss-up between the role of sex and art.
Covers in John Mayer.
And better, I might add.
If our intel's correct, you are.
correct, correct,
If our intel's correct, you are.
And better, I might add.
If our intel's correct, you are a prime candidate from next year's class. But we
prime, prime,
are a prime candidate from next year's class. But we.
Of course I do. It's world-renowned.
The dean made me realize that by being so set on Brown,
brown, brown,
that by being so set on Brown,
Off her high horse and in high demand.
Did you look at the resort samples?
resort, resort,
Did you look at the resort samples?
No, she was really into me. And next thing I know, she's throwing a book at my head. Yeah, Faulkner looked like a first edition.
Addition. Addition.
Faulkner looked like a first edition.
Trying to come up with an answer for the Dean's Parlor game.
you manipulated your way in here.
manipulate, manipulate,
You manipulated your way in here.
I get
Meet up and get blazed.
Yeah, okay. Hey, look, there's this place off campus called Mike's Bar.
campus, campus,
Campus called Mike's Bar.
Everyone, it's time for my favorite part of the evening.
favorite, favorite,
It's time for my favorite part of the evening. It's time for my favorite part of the evening, which has delightfully become known over the years as probateur.
Pro. Pro.
Known over the years as probateur.
Pete Fairman was a man that I knew.
Man/dealer.
Miss Waldorf.
dealer, dealer,
/dealer.
Miss Waldorf.
Sort this out privately, please.
Take all the time you need.
My answer was George Son. Love her.
sand, sand,
My answer was George Son. Love her.
Hey, man, where are you? I've been sitting here forever. Please, just call me back.
Round of shots, Mike.
round, round,
Round of shots, Mike.
Hey, excuse me. Hi, I know this is a strange
request, request,
Hi, I know this is a strange Hope you at least bought the statue a drink first.
statue, statue,
Hope you at least bought the statue a drink first.
I can't do it anymore, Blair.
That's because you almost lost. I'd you pinned with that chicken wing. Don't deny it.
pin, pin,
I'd you pinned with that chicken wing. Don't deny it.
When we came here together when we were 9, your dad took us to that Harvard-Yale game, and you tackled Senator Schumer's daughter.
tackle, tackle,
And you tackled Senator Schumer's daughter. Maybe we just had that fight because the reality of being separated next year's...
separate, separate,
The reality of being separated next year's... I don't think he even blinked.
Well, since we're probably both going to end up at Hunter after what happened.
hunter, hunter,
Gonna end up at Hunter after what happened.
When morning comes, reality intrudes, and the dream begins to slip away.
slip, slip,
And the dream begins to slip away.